Greetings. Today we are diving into the world of sales prediction, an essential aspect of business strategy. Leveraging the power of Python, we will explore how data analysis can drive insightful forecasts, guiding us towards the informed decision making. So let's embark on this journey of discovery together. So this is the project, internship project by Codsoft. Uh, the project name is Sales Prediction using a Python. Introduction is the project aims to predict sales based on advertising expenditures across different mediums. By leveraging the machine learning techniques, we seek to understand the relationship between advertising investments in TV, radio, and newspaper channels and their impact on sales. The dataset used in this project contains information on advertising expenditures and corresponding sales figures sourced from the Excel file. So, objective exploring the dataset to understand its structure, distribution, and relationship, build a predictive model using linear regression to forecast sales based on advertising investment, evaluate the model's performance, and draw insight to inform advertising strategies and maximize sales potential. Data explanation. We begin by loading the dataset into a pandas data frame, extracting data from an Excel file. We explore the dataset by examining its first and last few rows as well as the calculating summary statistics to gain insights into the distribution of variables. Additionally, we checked for missing values to ensure the integrity. Next slide is data visualization. To visualize the relationship between the advertising expenditures and sales, we created scatter plots for each advertising medium like TV, radio, newspaper against sales. Histograms were plotted to understand the distributions of advertising expenditure and sales figures. A heat map was generated to visualize the correlation between the different advertising mediums and sales. Next slide is model building. Using the sklearn library, we built a linear regression model to predict sales based on advertising expenditures. The dataset was split into training and testing sets to train and evaluate the model. We used the training data to fit the linear regression model, enabling it to learn the underlying patterns in the data. Next slide is model evaluation. In this, the trained model was evaluated by making predictions on both training and testing sets. We compare the predicted sales values with the actual sales values to assess the model's performance. Visualizations were created to visualize the relationship between the predicted and actual sales figures, enabling us to gauge the accuracy of the model. And the last slide is conclusions. In conclusion part, the leveraging machine learning techniques for sales prediction empowers businesses to optimize advertising strategies and maximize sales potentials. By understanding the impact of advertising expenditures across different mediums on sales, businesses can make informed decisions based on data-driven insight. This project highlights the importance of data analysis and predictive modeling in driving business success in dynamic markets. Thank you.